Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best eco-friendly cleaning products that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Marley's Monsters UNpaper towels. These bright cotton flannel towels are durable and absorbent. They get even more absorbent after a few washes. They also cling together so you can roll them up on a cardboard tube, just like the paper alternatives. The clinginess means they attract lint and dust pretty easily, so be prepared to wash them often. But still, if you're trying to go zero waste, these are one good way to do that. One thing I'll note is that it's really easy to use all 12 up quickly, and they can stain depending on what you're wiping up. They also tend to cling together on the roll, so I prefer to just keep mine folded in a drawer. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Drops Sensitive Skin Laundry Detergent Pods. I freaking love Drops. These pods smell fantastic, work with high-efficiency machines, get your clothes squeaky clean, and are made of USDA certified bio-based ingredients. One of my favorite things about this product is that the box contains a full list of each ingredient and what purpose it serves. Rather than being mystified by a long list of things I can't pronounce, I know exactly the reason behind each one. I've used a few different kinds of detergent from Drops, and my clothes have always come out clean and smelling great. The company sells fragrance-free pods as well. The activewear detergent is my favorite. It helps to get any lingering smells out of my disgusting workout clothes better than Tide. At number 3, we have the Cleancult laundry detergent sheets. Maybe you don't want laundry pods. How about laundry sheets? These detergent sheets are affordable and plastic-free. They smell great. My favorite scent is juniper sandalwood, and they've gotten stains out of my clothes to boot. They're compatible with all washing machines and water temperatures. The only thing I dislike about them is that I've had a few close calls trying to grab one of these instead of a fabric softener sheet, but pay attention and you'll be fine. At number 2, we have the Wedex Swedish Dishcloths. These are a mix between a washcloth and a paper towel. You can use the absorbent cloths to wipe up messes or to scrub the dishes. They're composable and biodegradable, made from a mix of pulp and cotton. I like the cute, bright colors and how quickly they dry, which means they never get stinky, unlike traditional cotton wash rags. They've been durable in my testing, but I'm glad to know that when they've run their course, they won't stick around and pollute the planet. And finally, at number 1, we have the Matter Variety Pack. Some say compostable bags aren't necessarily a win for landfills because they'll still break down and produce methane, but I think everyone can agree that the less plastic being produced and put out into the world, the better. These plant-based bags are surprisingly thick and sturdy enough for regular trash, but they're also great for food scraps and yard waste. When you're finished, you can just throw them right in your backyard compost pile, though keep in mind Matter says they can take up to a year to totally break down. I've also had success breaking them down in a matter of hours in a Lomi kitchen waste recycler. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.